What's the next seismic event in crypto now that the Bitcoin ETF dust has settled? Well, all eyes are turning to one specific altcoin, and the smart money is already making its move. Today, we'll be talking about the Spot Solana ETF and why 2026 is shaping up to be the year that changes everything for Sol. First, let's break it down. What exactly is a Spot Solana ETF? Think of it like a stock. It's a financial product that trades on traditional stock exchanges, like the NYSE or NASDAQ. But instead of representing a share in a company, it represents actual, real Solana coins held in a secure vault. For big money institutions like pension funds and investment banks, this is a golden ticket. It allows them to invest in Solana and get exposure to its price movements without the headache of setting up digital wallets, managing private keys, or navigating the complexities of crypto exchanges. It's a bridge connecting the old world of finance with the new digital frontier, making it incredibly simple and secure for them to buy in. So, why is everyone whispering about 2026? Why not now? Well, 2026 is being seen as the perfect dip or accumulation phase before the real fireworks begin. Several massive factors are converging to create this perfect storm. First and foremost are the network upgrades. The most anticipated one is Fire Denser. This is not just a small tweak. It's a complete overhaul of Solana's client software, designed to dramatically boost its processing power and, most importantly, its stability. The network outages that have plagued Solana in the past, Fire Dancer aims to make them a distant memory, building the kind of rock-solid reliability that institutions demand before pouring in billions. Then there's the regulatory side. Following the successful launch of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, the path is becoming clearer. Major financial giants like Fidelity, Vonnet, and Bitwise are all expected to be lining up, preparing their applications for a Spot Solana ETF. The industry consensus is that regulators will want to see the ETF operate smoothly for a while before they even consider another major altcoin. This timeline points directly to late 2025 or early 2026 for potential approvals. Institutions are playing the long game. They see this window as their chance to accumulate SOL at what they believe will be bargain prices, just before the floodgates of institutional capital are thrown wide open. This brings us to the big question. Why are they so eager? What's driving this institutional fear of missing out, or FOMO? It boils down to Solana's sheer performance and potential. We're talking about a blockchain that boasts incredibly high throughput, capable of handling thousands of transactions per second. Compare that to Ethereum's slower speeds, and you can see the appeal. The transaction costs, or gas fees, are also incredibly low fractions of a cent. This combination of speed and affordability makes Solana a prime candidate for a whole new wave of applications, especially in the tokenization of real-world assets, or AORs. Imagine tokenizing stocks, real estate, or bonds, and trading them on the blockchain. This is a multi-trillion-dollar market, and Solana is perfectly positioned to capture a significant piece of it. Institutions aren't just betting on a cryptocurrency. They're investing in the underlying infrastructure for the future of finance. Firms like Bitwise have made bold predictions, suggesting that once these ETFs go live, they could absorb more Solana than is being newly created. When demand outstrips supply like that, you know what happens to the price. It creates intense upward pressure. So let's talk numbers. What kind of prices are we looking at? The predictions for 2026 are wildly bullish. Conservative estimates from some analysts place Solana at around $250, but many others are looking much higher, with some forecasts stretching to $450 and even beyond. Now, remember, these are just predictions, not financial advice, but they give you a clear picture of the potential upside that these large institutions are chasing. They're not looking for a quick 20% gain. They are positioning themselves for a potential 3x, 4x, or even 5x return on their investment as Solana transitions into a mainstream, institutionally accepted asset class. The narrative is clear. The smart money sees Solana as undervalued infrastructure. They see the coming network upgrades like Fire Denser as the risk in the investment. They see the inevitable march of ETFs as the catalyst that will unlock unprecedented demand. And they see 2026 as the pivotal year to build their positions before the rest of the world catches on. To wrap it all up, the potential for a Spot Solana ETF isn't just a rumor. It's a strategic move being anticipated by some of the biggest players in finance. It's creating a unique window of opportunity, positioning 2026 as a critical accumulation year for the asset. The combination of technological maturation, regulatory clarity, and overwhelming institutional interest is painting a very compelling picture for Solana's future. But that's what the institutions think. I want to know what you think. Where do you see the price of Solana heading by 2026? Drop your predictions in the comments below. I'm really curious to see what our community believes is possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto market. See you in the next one.